Choose your player.
Mario!
Okay, so hey guys, Michael K here again, and we're finna try these little chocolate Easter eggs in this box right here that my sister bought from the store. She said she put a secret ingredient inside each one. One could be gross and one could be good. So my lucky color is golden. That's what I'm gonna use. Let me just show you guys. It's like a golden chocolate egg, but it's not golden. You gotta whip over it. Okay, I can always see something so far. Okay. You might not be able to see it in camera, but there's like a little hole right there. That must be where she put the secret ingredient in. So, let's rip open this one. First egg. Ah! Okay. I don't have a bucket to pick stuff out. Actually, yes, I do. Okay. So, basically, that one was caramel and mustard. Okay. Looks like the only colors that we have here is gold and pink, so I'm gonna wait a minute. Is this a special one? Yeah, I think it is. The seeds is special inside. The seeds is not disgusting. We will survive through this. Yes, we will. Okay, so hopefully you guys seen the cover, cause the bunny was just right the cover. And just hoping that you guys seen the cover, so y'all don't say that the bunny doesn't look like the cover. I wish it was a little bit brighter here, but for some reason it isn't. Now I'm gonna make this bunny. Wow, good. Okay, let's see which one this is. Okay. Caramel and strawberry cream. Ugh. And the tasting when it's over is ugh. And then here's the 3 last ones. These actually boiled. Now you know those like lemon candy? She used it. She had them. And like boiled each one in the oven. And just like 3 of them. And I have to eat all. Because this video is finna end real quick. Mustard and never mind. So I hope you guys like this video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.